Welcome back to Yahoo Finance Live, everyone. Markets are officially open for trading here. We're about 11 minutes into today's session. Let's get on over to the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, where Yahoo Finance's Jared Blikre serving Bath & Body Works lavender realness with the fit today, Jared. Love it.
Thank you. It is July. I'd be remiss if I didn't celebrate. I'm looking at the Wi-Fi Interactive. It is a down day in the markets, and this was kind of one of the worst fears. You got CPI with a 9 handle right here. That is bad news. Let's take a deeper dive inside the market, and this is going to be the S&P 500 over the last 2 months. But you can see over the last 3 weeks, about the last 15 trading sessions, absolutely nothing, just going sideways right here. So as long as the 3750, I would say, support level, current support level is respected, not the biggest deal in the markets, but you got to take a look at what's going on in the bond market, because we have yields screaming higher once again, 7 basis points for the 10-year. By the way, I no longer say beeps. I've been corrected on that. It is bips, but sometimes I do beep boops. You got to ask the Emily account about that. But I'm also watching the dollar. The U.S. dollar index up to 20-year highs. Once again, the euro flirting with parity, so we could have a washout in the currency markets, and of course those are highly leveraged, and that could spill over into risk markets. So I guess the bottom line here is we're kind of on a knife's edge. We're waiting for more comments tomorrow from Jamie Dimon to see if he has any update on our hurricane status. Is it a Cat 5, a Cat 4? Who knows? Energy in the green here. That is the only sector in the green. Crude oil had a washout day yesterday, $95. Let's take a look at the futures, because I think this is important. If we see crude oil, I'm not finding the chart right now, but if we see crude oil trade down to, let's say, 62, that's where I see support. That could print negative for the CPI in a few quarters, maybe a year. So I think we have to think about the future here, because there's not a lot going on in the present, just kind of waiting for the next catalyst, and that'll probably be those big earnings that we have on deck tomorrow, guys.
Always good to see you in the present, of course. Jared Blikre, thanks so much. All right, high gas prices not only have people searching to buy, electric cars, but also electric motorcycles. You can see there on the screen a surge in Google search activity for electric motorcycles since April as gas prices have soared.